your dying day. It's a celebration to rejoice, to use your voice and give wings to any old choice. Whatever you're choosing right now is right where you are. You don't need a vacation when there's nothing to escape from. Set your vibration in undulation to the highest it can go. And trust me, hear me, if it makes you wanna sing, just sing it. Ha-la-la-la-la-la-la, ha-la-la-la-la-la. Let's all sing ha-la-la-la-la-la, let it down. Everything is sound. Ha-la-la-la-la-la-la, ha-la-la-la-la-la. Let's all sing ha-la-la-la-la-la, hallelujah. It's a song that I'd forgotten often. It doesn't make me wrong, 'cause we all need the darkness to see the light in our own eyes. Come on and sing it. Ha-la-la-la-la-la-la, ha-la-la-la-la-la. Let's all sing ha-la-la-la-la-la, let it down. Everything.
Tears in your eyes, the color of them wonderful stabbing through my brain. Memories
tradition, that's the cutting of the
What day is it? And in what month? This clock never seems so alive. And I can't keep up, and I can't back down. I've been losing so much time. 'Cause it's you and me, and
Want to raise their glasses to grow and bright and join them in their 7 wishes through good fellowship and camaraderie, love and happiness. James, bro, Grace, pare. I would like to offer this toast over our congratulations and drink to your happiness and the success of your marriage. Everyone, cheers and bottoms up.
I'm tripping on words. You got my head spinning. I don't know where to go from here. 'Cause it's you and me and all other people with nothing to do, nothing to prove. And it's you and me and all other people, and I don't know why I can't keep my eyes off of you.
Good evening to both of you. I am not married and will never be married, but as your ninong, na paminsan-minsan ninang, I'll give you some words of advice. Number one, you have to respect your individuality. Kasi before you were husband and wife, first and foremost, you are an individual. You have differences, di ba? You celebrate your similarities, tolerate and understand your differences, and learn not to sleep at night if there's anger. Do not let the sun set on your anger. Kailangan nag-uusap kayo. Communication is the key. Respetuhin ninyo, ikaw, Impi, respetuhin mo na si Michael. Bago mo naging asawa, meron siyang mga kaibigan, meron siyang sariling buhay. Pag nag-asawa kayo, nag-iba yan. Pero, hindi mo pwedeng sabihin sa kanya o hindi mo pwedeng sabihin ni Michael sa'yo na wala ka ng kaibigan, tayo dalawa na lang. It doesn't work that way. So, pangatlo, ang sikreto ng isang relasyon nagtatagal, dapat yung romance hindi nawawala. So make it a point, siguro once a month, you go out on a date, hindi kasama yung bata, i-deposito nyo sa lolo't lola. You go on a date, parang boyfriend-girlfriend. And lastly, for Michael, tatandaan mo palagi itong sikretong to. A happy wife is a happy life. Garantisado yan at wala pa nagbimintis. Tatandaan mo yan, pag masaya ang asawa mong babae, masaya ang buhay ng lalaki. Okay? Good luck, best wishes, God bless you. And thank you everybody.
Always put God in the center of your relationship. Always have a strong faith in God until you have children of your own. I've heard you have one. Okay. And the most important in a relationship is the respect for each other. Love is already there, but you have to respect each other. If you're not convinced of your wife's decision, you have to talk it over, but not to fight over it. That's the best solution for disagreements. Happiness is always there, but the most important, you have to work for it. Yes, it's easier said than done. Do not sleep with anger and pain. But for some couple, it's not easier. It's not easy for them to do that. Especially if the husband has done something wrong. That's very, very hard to decide and to forgive. But Grace, always make yourself pretty for Pogi not to look for other women. Thank you very much.
It's one of God's 7 sacraments. Hence, the vows that the couples make and say are sacred and holy. What God has joined together, let no man put asunder. Ang ibig sabihin nun, walang pwedeng makapaghiwalay sa pinagsama ng Diyos. Marriage is not a joke nor a game to play. Mature couples value the essence of marriage because this is the strong foundation in building righteous family. James and MP, you should always give importance to the essential ingredients of marriage, which are respect, trust, understanding, and love. Love must not end after the wedding or after the birth of your loved child. The wedding ring is round because love has no end. The secret of lasting marriage is your ever-growing love, trust, respect, and understanding. Accepting your partner for what and who he is will contribute a lot to the steadfast relationship. Discovering something good in you in your partner, make it more expecting that you'll never get banned with each other. Your marriage must be an adventure of your appreciation, discoveries, and fearless thrills so that you can pass on to your children the best legacy and the most remarkable Christian values. Congratulations and best wishes. God bless you and your family.
James and Grace, congratulations. Youth Day is the best fulfillment to those who in love. Sana yung relationship nyo, lagyan nyo ng art. Ano bang ibig sabihin ng art? Appreciate, respect, and trust. And again, wishing you, James and Grace, the best in life and in good health. Again, congratulations. Happy wedding day.
We learned something new, no? That in every relationship, we need to put art on it. Appreciation, respect, and trust. That was wonderful, sir. Alright, now these are the people who really saw the romance between the groom and bride blossom into a serious relationship. Now after witnessing the heartfelt scene,
Susunod na programa ay may tema at eksenang hindi angkop sa mga batang nanonood.
Tama.
Matubay ng magulang ang kailangan.
the ladies forward back. Gentlemen, kansya ba kayo sa taas? Sige, akyat yung tatlo. Ayan. Sir, sige, tama ka na. Ayan. And sir, dito kayo. Sir Raymond and yun eh. Romel. Alright, so girls, hindi ko alam kung ping-pong ball to, pero this is a ball. Yan. Get one. Okay. Oh, if you want it more exciting, you can use your mouth. Pero hindi, let's just use our hands, no? Kasi SPG to. So again, you need to shoot the ball dun sa right, dun sa left pants. Ay, hindi, sa pants lang. Hindi aabot sa dumi. Sa pants lang. Ha? Kasi kailangan hindi siya dumaan, kailangan makuha mo siya. Iikot nyo siya pag ganoon, makuha sa kabila. Okay? And, are you ready? Okay. So, pabilisan to. Sige. About face. About face. About face. Ready? James and Grace, you'd be the judges, ah. 1, 2, 3, go! No. Sige, paano yun? Ala. Wala ka lang. Okay. Alright, perfect. So, sinong nauna? Siya. Sinong nauna, James? James. Sila Jack. Okay, perfect. Thank you so much, guys, for participating. You ready? Go! Pwedeng bibig. Pwedeng bibig. Wave! There you go. Pass it on to Jack.
Using my mouth?
Hindi. Bigay mo na. Alright. And then, so sila na ba yung next? Sila na ba? Oh, that's nice. Okay. Now, ikaw naman, kailangan magsuot ng garter sa next meeting. It's up to you how high you can. If you want it higher, then yes, you can.
And wanna do it like you never knew it. Oh, I'll make it through.
Yun, no? Higher? No. SPG na. Alright, thank you.
1, 2, 3, go!
That was good.
First of all, I would like to thank all the people looking here for this special moment for us. My wife, Lady Grace Magat, is now probably Mrs. Papi. And also to my Nino, Sir Jen Pereira, thank you so much for coming, and to our chairman, beloved chairman, Virgil Ilisan, and my Ninong in the day and Ninang in the night, and Mr. Joey Atienza, to Mrs. Jinky Tenyada, and of course,